Hi guys, hello everyone. May I want to greet happy birthday for my mother. Happy 69th birthday, Mama Dunya Adela. Yeah, may I want to greet you a happy birthday. Manghinaut ko na hatagan ka pa sa Ginoo daghan pang mga birthday nga moabot sa imong kinabuhi. O hinaut nga tagan bug ka permente og mayong panglawas og salamat sa imong pagkamaayo nga ginikanan lula. Salamat sa pag-amuma nimo sa amo ug sa akong mga anak sa amo tanan nga naadjog ka permi. Salamat og kaning sa imuhang pagpangga sa mua. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come in your life. May I want to sing a happy birthday for you, Mama. Happy 69th birthday. Today is your birthday, your most special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all the sorrows, it's joy to rejoice. Today is your birthday. You can hear the voices of my brothers and sisters singing a birthday song. Happy 69th birthday, Mama Daday. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Look at the sunshine shining up above. Look at the mountains surrounded by the lake. Look at the birds flocking down the streets, singing sweet melodies of your most awaited day. You can hear the voices of brothers and sisters singing a birthday song. Is wishing a happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Today's your birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy 69th birthday and more birthdays to come. O ginaot ko nga hatagan pa sa Ginoo more birthday o maayong pang lawas. Thank you and I love you, Mama, and I miss you too also.